Hi guys, Mr. Geek, once again welcome back to a brand new episode on this channel. So for today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the MI Pocket Power Bank Pro. This happens to be a special power bank for two reasons. Number one, because of its small and compact form factor, and number two, because it supports 22.5 watt fast power delivery charging. This happens to be a good news for all those iOS devices using the latest or the newer gen iPhones, because those are the phones that support 22.5 watt fast power delivery. Not that they are the only phones, there are also other phones that support them, but this is really a good news for iOS devices. So let's get straight to the video. Before we get to the video, I urge everyone to get themselves vaccinated as soon as possible, because if you want to get out of this pandemic, then vaccination happens to be the most easiest option that can be seen right now. So please get yourself vaccinated at the nearest vaccination centers. So this right here is the box of the power bank. On the front it says MI Pocket Power Bank Pro. It is a 10,000 milliampere power bank, but the efficient figures turn out to be around 7,000 or so. It also says that it's a 22.5 watt fast power delivery power bank. Apart from that, it also says that it has a 12-layer advanced circuit protection, which is pretty much standard in all power banks available in the market. On the back you get the technical specifications here, so if you want to know the technical specifications, you can pause the video right here and check them out. It says that the max output is 22.5 watts, and when you are using simultaneously two or more devices, it will give out a total of 15 watts. The printed price is around 1700 rupees, but you can get it for a much cheaper rate. So I've opened up the box and let's see what are the things that we get inside. The first thing I see is a flat Type-C cable. Yes, this is a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. We'll keep that to the side and we'll see what else do we get in the box. So I can see the power bank here itself. We also get some documentation here. Quick start guide maybe. Yeah, it's a user manual. We'll keep that to the side. So here's the power bank. Okay, so this power bank is really small and really compact than what I even imagined it to be. Let me take out the plastic. Okay, so this power bank is pretty small than I expected it to be. Let me clean up this mess and I'll get back to you. Okay, so here is the power bank itself. This power bank is really small. You can see it's the same size of my palm, and it's really small. It's not that heavy. I'd say it's a pretty normal weight power bank, and on the top you can see there are two USB-A ports, a Type-C port and a micro USB port, and this button is supposedly to turn on and off the power bank. You get these 4 indicators of LED that will indicate how much juice the power bank has. So when you look at this, it has a textured finish which gives a lot of grip, and I don't think the power bank is gonna fall out of my hands anytime soon. This power bank is really small. I mean, the reason I got this power bank is because it's so portable. I can put it in my pocket and go anywhere, because the standard power banks available in the market, they are not pocket friendly, as in they don't fit in the pocket as easily as this would, because this is really small. This is a bit thick than the standard power banks, but then the height is considerably small than what the other power banks are. A cool feature in this power bank is that you can charge devices from 3 ports. You can charge devices from the USB-A ports as well as a Type-C port. So it supports triple output. So all 3 ports will support charging. You can charge devices from these 3 ports, and it supports dual input. It means that you can charge this power bank through this Type-C port or the micro USB port. That's it for this unboxing video, guys. I hope you liked this video. I'll further test out this power bank with various Android as well as iOS devices, and I'll see how this power bank actually performs. I'll also be checking out whether iPhones get heated up while charging with this power bank or not, and I'll also test out the charging times of the iPhones, Android phones, and also how much time does this take to charge up. Also, stay tuned to the channel because I'll further upload a detailed review about this power bank. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, the link to this product will be down in the description box below, so make sure to check out that product. This is Mr. Geek signing off.